Thanks for tuning in for the LightMD instructional video on how to set your LightPads up together and to link them to connect. So this video is one that follows the video prior of taking the pads out of the bag and connecting each of your individual tabs. If you haven't done that yet, please refer to the prior video. So all of your pads should have the plastic piece connector in them, and all of your connectors as well. Please get 2 small USB connector cords out and one set of pads, with the center pad having 3 USB outputs in the top and each pad on the side having 2. Please set them up in this format and I will show you how to connect them. So the tab on your connector piece is going to fit if you flip over. Let's flip each of these pads upside down now. So this tab will fit on your left pad, and you just have it on a flat surface and it just punches right in. This tab is able to move in another direction, so when storing your pads you can just twist it around. And for ease of operation, you can store your pads like this and not have to keep reconnecting these individual tabs. So now next, let me just move that out of the way. Next, on the center pad, same thing. You take one of your connector pieces with the tab poking out and you connect it, just pop it in to the hole. Same thing. So now you have the ability to connect all 3 pads together. For this case of the demo, I'm going to connect the pads on the first hole. This is considered no space on the connector cable. And here once again. So now all 3 of your pads are connected. When you're disconnecting the pads, please always just grab right at the joint of the large plastic tab and lift from there. That is the easiest way. You don't want to pull off from the small tab and pull it from behind. That's much rougher on the pads. So where the large tab is, that's where you place it. And you can also push the pressure on there to snap it together from the front end. So it makes it really easy. Same here. You can disconnect at the large tab and it just lifts right away. And when you want to connect here as well. There are options. You can connect multiple spaces apart. So for this case of the demo, I'm going to show you how to connect one space. Same thing, you put the pressure on the plastic piece. Likewise, we're going to go in one space, go here, put the pressure on the plastic piece and connect the 2 pads. Now you have your 3 pads. Well, how are they going to get power to each other? You need to have your USB connector cables. So these connector cables are good for one space or no spaces, as it was prior. So you want the flat side up with no USB emblem. The USB emblem goes towards the back. So we'll just connect these pads to each other, the natural fit. Same thing here. Connect the center pad to the left pad. And now your pads have the ability to be powered on both ends once you connect your center cord. I'm going to connect my center cord. Your center cord, same thing, has a plain front and a side with the USB emblem. The plain front goes up top and connects in your center USB output. Now you have power in the pads and you have power going from one side to the other. So I will show you now that everything is connected. And an output 2. Now you have power at both ends. you can see if you don't have one of the sides connected, you will not receive power on the third pad.